Practical number 4, working with operating system services and process related commands. So how to add more services onto our Linux operating system? We will discuss that. So there are services like editor in which we will learn VI editor in next lecture, next practical. That is GUI stand for graphical user interface, and process management commands like that, how to start, stop the particular processes and checking the status of that processes. We will see in this practical. So editor, it's like a notepad provided in Windows operating system like that. We have a VI editor. See this VI editor in which we are performing the rest of the practicals from practical number 7 onwards. So to start a process related services, you need to go into this directory etc init.d and use the command check config. Check config. So enter the restart commands, that is sudo system controls. Sudo stands for it acquires the status of super user. So therefore you need to use the sudo command. So we will actually start the practical how to add the services, stop the services of Linux operating system. So here we need to acquire the status of super user, that is the root user. So cd command is used to change the directory. Then first slash indicates the root directory. Then etc init.d. So init.d starts the initialization of the process. So again here from this tilde sign you are working with init.d. So with the help of ELS command is used to listing all the files and directories. So you will get all the files and directories here. So then check config commands. It is used to check the configuration of your Linux operating system. So this is again check command. List means it will list all the services of your Ubuntu operating system. So this is the all services, and here status is given like that, off, on. Then services, double hyphen, this is not dash, double hyphen, status, then hyphen all. It gives the status of all running or all the processes, like that. Some processes are running, some processes are stopped. So services, double hyphen, status, again hyphen, all. This command gives the status of all the services, whether that is running, whether that is stopped. Then sudo is used to acquire the root user or super user privileges. Then sudo service send mail. Send mail is the name of process. Start. Sudo service send mail start us. So that is, it will check, sorry, it's not a status, it is a status. Sudo service send mail status means, suppose you want to check a status of particular service, that is send mail is a service, whether that service is running or not. Service stand for it is a process, so it is running or not. So check the status of particular service, then you have to use sudo service followed by service name. Here service name is send mail and then its status. So it is running. Then you want to stop, then sudo service send mail stop. Then this send mail process is stopped. Again you want to start, then again sudo service send mail start. Means we have learned three commands like that: status, stop and start. So rest of the commands part is same, like that: sudo service send mail status, check the status, stop, which service you want to stop, then you have to use sudo service send mail stop, then sudo service send mail start, semi restart. Next is that service double hyphen status hyphen all, then that bar, vertical bar stand for, it is used to filter the services. Vertical bar grep, grep is general filter command, grep followed by running means it will display only running processes. That is, if you are using the commands like that, only service